ये क्या उधर है?
Rising up through the air, these stones shimmering light. Hello everybody, welcome back. We came from Maldives like 6 days ago. So the plan was we were going to Maldives because dad always wanted to go to Maldives, and it was mom's birthday, but we couldn't because mom thought it was Divam's exams, but it was not Divam's exam. Anyways, continuing, today is mom's birthday, 26th November. So we are going to a hotel, stay there for the night, come back tomorrow morning. Okay, time right now is 10:30. We're going packing right now. It's a whole full mess. I will record that. I will put this vlog first, then I'll edit the Maldives vlog, then I'll do that. Also, yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just like talk for a little bit. So like in Maldives my phone broke down, like this one. The day we went there, like in the car it was working, and then the airport it stopped. The full Maldives I spent without a phone. It's very nice, you know, no Instagram, no YouTube. That was very nice. I used my mom's phone to talk to people who I needed to for the Peter Pan thing. So yesterday we had a rehearsal for Peter Pan the drama school part, and it was like 2.5 hours. I was there. I got very tired. I was like leading the thing with 2 other people. We had like people online who couldn't come in person, and people who were actually came. We recorded them. We taught dance to those online and offline. It was a lot of work yesterday. We left at 3:30. We came back at like 9 o'clock, like literally 9 o'clock. It was crazy. Got very tired. Came back, watched one more episode of Hawkeye, season episode 2, and then we slept off. I slept off. I don't know what happened. Woke up today, gave my chemistry paper. Then school. Spontaneously, I was like, Dad, what are we doing today? He said, let's go to a hotel. I'm like, cool. We booked the hotel. Now we're going to the hotel. Cake will come at the hotel. We have balloons, which we were going to put in the house. But now we can't because it's going there. So we're taking the balloons there and we'll inflate them there. And we bought this balloon inflating machine for like someone's birthday or mom and dad's anniversary. We'll fill balloons with this. Psych. Packing done. Now we're gonna leave. Watch montage of the road, which is not very nice. This is the giving me. Huge room. रूम टूर कर लो अभी जल्दी से. रूम टूर कर लेते जल्दी से, ठीक है ना? तो getting in, wonderful 3-sided wardrobe. This is the same one we saw in Maldives, and this is the wardrobe whose doors make up a big mirror, full-size mirror, and with 3 mirrors. 3 mirrors. Nice. Entry, water, luggage, stuff. Cabinet. An iron. You know, we have exactly this iron at home in our house. Should have been pillows. I don't see any. This side there is practically nothing. Minibar, okay. Then you should open up. Open. Sona, gold. A lot of cabinetry. Got the mini fridge there. यार आइसक्रीम डालो यार, मिनी फ्रिज में आइसक्रीम खराब हो जाएगी. We brought ice cream from home just like that. Boutique, super nice soaps. We don't have tap obviously. We have rain head, and we have a hand shower and rain head. Toilet, commode. Hey, nice. Huge mirror, open, fully glassed up. Whatever this is called, that's called a water closet also. Wash basin, you have a hand dryer, full glass. Like this thing is fully glass, and you can close it by that's coming down. Some beautiful B-roll for that. Then go in, nice spacious king size bed, I believe. Water bottles. You have a lot of stuff like to control the blinds also. I'll show you. This is a very beautiful piece of art. I love it. Got some reading lights here, and phone and menu, I think. There we have a lot of things. With this button you can close the window, open the window. I'll close it. 1 second. There's a night mode. 1 second रुक. हाँ बता.
मुझे वाईफाई चाहिए.
यार रुको. दे. Coming here, huge mirror once again. Sofa set up nice, glass table, good balcony, huge balcony. Window, I mean, this is so huge. It looks like there's nothing. Small railing here. I don't know why. I mean, you can't break this. Some things. I don't know if this is the part of the hotel, but yeah, it looks nice. We have a full desk setup here. Mr. Gupta, my younger
Hello.
Divamji is joining his class. Some Ethernet ports. That's another desk. This is the rolling chair. That's the normal chair. This, the thermostat here, and that is the room tour. Now, hi guys.
Hello guys, this is Divyam Gupta and we are going down to get the food.
Yep, totally right. We checked in and all, whatever. We were sitting there watching TV and all. Then I was like inflating the balloons with the machine that I showed you, right? And now we're going to get food. We ordered it an hour ago, more than an hour, maybe like an hour and 15-20 minutes. But still hasn't come. Now it's arriving. So we're gonna get that. We're gonna eat food. Very hungry. We ordered it from Swiggy instead of the hotel because the hotel is very expensive. Food is captured. We were waiting there calling him. He was there only. We didn't know it was him. He didn't know it was him. Phone fallen. No damage. Shit. Very beautiful elevator. धर्म तू क्या बोलता है? बहुत खूबसूरत है ना?
Very good elevator. This is Divyam Gupta.
अच्छा बोल दिया ना, कितनी बार बोलेगा? Food from Bowl Company. Very hot. Shit.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Namaskara peoples. Hello. Mom, dad and all, they went back to get their swimming costume. Mine, I wore it in like always. Let me show you. This is the outfit that I'll wear after swimming, okay? Inside it is my swimming costume. Cool. Now we're alone in such a beautiful big pool. Let's swim. I was in the air for so long, dude. Man, I thought I was gonna die. Oh, cold shit. I thought, oh my god. Okay. This is like nostalgia, man. Do you remember the March vlogs? I remember them because I just edited them like 2-3 weeks ago. Man, same feeling. Awesome! Yo, super hungry, man. Swimmed a lot. Mom and dad aren't here yet. I'm gonna call them because they have the frisbee and they have the spectacles. Why do I look like this? But we're gonna go swimming when they come again. Till then, I'm gonna chill. And then next club should be frisbee. Is it? Papa और मेरी रेस. नमस्कार दोस्तों, ये है सोहम आपके लिए वॉइस ओवर करते हुए. तो रेस होने वाली है. फिल्म का शॉट नहीं आया क्योंकि मैं भूल गया. साधारण सी बात है. दिव्यम ने ऐलान कर दिया है रेस के शुरू होने का. और ये बहुत सारा पानी ना हारते हुए ये बहुत आनंदित मैच खेलते हुए पापा हारते हुए. और जीतेगा कौन? अपने आप को और आपको आवाज सुनाई दे जाती है विजेता की. और पापा बहुत कंफ्यूज है कि सोहम कैसे जीत गया, मुझे जीतना चाहिए था. अब मैं आऊँगा, मैं चिल्लाऊंगा मैं जीत गया. ये आया मैं जीत गया. So here, पापा को फिर से हराने वाला हूँ मैं. सेकंड रेस पापा वर्सेस सोहम. मम्मी बोलो गो.
Go.
Guys. Going to dinner. This place called.
This is called Best Barbecue Nation.
अरे नहीं. So we're gonna go to dinner to this place called Iron Hill. Okay, in Bangalore. It's called Iron Hill, Bengaluru. Damn long line. They don't have a reservation. Like whole internet, you can't reserve it. If you go there, you can't book a table. You have to be there to book the table. So I went earlier. I was like, I'll book the table and I'll come back at 7:30. When we'll have dinner, then they're like, you can't do that. You have to be here. You have to stay here. When your number comes, you have to get in. Lame. I don't know why it's like that. Because there was a huge queue now. Now we have to wait like 30 minutes. That lady said 30, 25, 45, 20 to 45 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's going to take more than an hour. So I told my mom, I told dad, it'll take 1 hour to get in. And then when we order food, it'll take 1 hour to come. Because it's a big hotel, right? It's a big restaurant, like 4 floors, I think it was. There were like 56 people waiting outside. I said, let's go there. He said, no, we made a plan. We'll stay here. I said, okay. He said, you go to room. Do you want to go to room? I said, yeah, I want to go to room. He said, take them along. So we should go to the room, but that guy's cleaning our room. So I don't know. So we're staying here.
So we will still wait.
And then we will go.
And then we'll go and enjoy and see TV. We are going to
see TV now. Then we'll go eat dinner.
See TV now and go dinner. In tomorrow we are check-outing at 12 o'clock from here. And it will take time to reach there.
Where?
To Bangalore because.
ओए दिव्यम, ये होटल बैंगलोर में ही है.
तमिल पता है होटल.
अरे हमारा घर सिर्फ 10 मिनट दूर है. 10 मिनट नहीं, 40 मिनट. 40
मिनट है हमारे घर को. हमें यहाँ से चेकआउट करना 12 बजे. कल ही चेकआउट करना क्योंकि कल सैटरडे है.
क्योंकि कल हम बाहर निकलेंगे. ओके बाय.
ओके बाय.
Hi guys. Very angry. So angry that if someone annoys me, I'll take a knife, stab them, take their heart out, and I'll crush it. That kind of angry I am. Bloody bro, restaurant take so much money from you. They won't treat you nicely. 1 hour they made you wait. Now 1 hour you wait for food. $3,000, $6,000 dollars. I'm saying rupees bill they'll give you. Then you pay it also. And they treat you like dogs. Bloody, what is this shit? The DJ is also bloody bullshit there. Like, I can play better music than that Dumbo. Got the key. Still very angry. Very, very angry. I tried playing with it. I like scanned it to another door, saying that deactivated it. She told me this is another room key. I didn't respond. She's like, whose name? I was like, Mom's. Told her the name, obviously. Then contact also I gave. She rescanned it for my room. Now we're heading to the room. Very angry. I'll take my headphones and I'll take sunglasses. Both ways, I'll look cool boy. Okay, that's what I need right now. Headphones so I can listen to music because the DJ there is trash, like bullshit. And sunglasses so I can stand out and look very cool. I'm very cool, okay? Very cool. Thumbnail moment also we captured now. Lot of things. That's better. Roll the music, man. Just roll it. Starring Mr. Dhruvam Gupta, Pooja Mittal, Dhruvam Gupta. इसका बर्थडे व्लॉग मेरे बर्थडे पे मिलते हैं. चलो बाय.